Let's see a short story on a true friendship.
Once upon a time, in the vast savanna of Africa, there were two young lions named Kaya and Simba. They were born in the same pride, and from the very beginning, they were inseparable. As cubs, they would play together, exploring the grasslands and learning the ways of the wild from their elders. They faced challenges and trials together, growing stronger and wiser as a team. As they grown, Kaya was known for her agility and hunting prowess, while Simba's strength and courage earned him the respect of the other lions. One day, Kaya and Simba were playing on a garden, in that both having an argument between them. The argument has gone big fight between them. This became a crack between their friendship. They did not talk till 10 years. After 10 years, Kaya has been stuck in big problem. The dangerous dogs has attacked the Kaya facing a problem on his life. That time, Simba sees the Kaya has getting attack on her. Simba jumped between the dogs and make a great gaint roar upon them. They scared and run away from them. In this way, they became again a friend for lifetime. Never give a chance to dog on your friendship. Their true friendship and leadership were a testament to the power of unity and the strength that comes from standing by one another through thick and thin. The tale of Kaya and Simba's friendship spread across the savannah, becoming a legendary symbol of camaraderie among the animals of the wild. And so, their legacy of true friendship among lions endured for generations to come.